To integrate Debank historical data, start by understanding what Debank is and the type of data it provides. Debank is a popular platform that offers a wide range of data on cryptocurrency transactions, including historical data. This data can be invaluable for researchers, developers, and analysts looking to understand market trends and make informed decisions. The first step in integrating Debank historical data is to sign up for a Debank account and obtain an API key. The API key is essential for accessing the historical data, as it authenticates your requests and ensures that you are authorized to retrieve the data. Once you have your API key, you can start making requests to the Debank API. The API provides a variety of endpoints that allow you to retrieve different types of historical data, including transaction data, block data, and market data. You can choose the endpoint that best suits your needs and retrieve the data in a format that is easy to work with, such as JSON or CSV. When making requests to the Debank API, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure that you are using the data efficiently and effectively. This includes handling errors and exceptions, caching data to reduce the number of requests, and respecting the API usage limits to avoid having your API key revoked. To give you a better understanding of how to integrate Debank historical data, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you want to retrieve the historical price data for a specific cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin. You can use the Debank API to make a request to the price history endpoint, passing in the cryptocurrency symbol and the time period for which you want to retrieve the data. The response from the API will contain the historical price data, which you can then use for analysis or visualization. You can use programming languages such as Python or JavaScript to parse the data and perform calculations. Or you can use data visualization tools to create charts and graphs that help to illustrate the trends and patterns in the data. In conclusion, integrating Debank historical data is a straightforward process that requires an API key and a basic understanding of how to make requests to the Debank API. By following best practices and using the data efficiently and effectively, you can unlock a wealth of insights and information that can help you to make informed decisions and drive business success.